the bird prints. Over here too, see? No, but there might not be if they just grabbed a little mouse or something and went. That is flashing, right? Oh. Should be a beep. Well, I'm starting to listen to the beeps. I'm being more careful how I push it. All you have to do is push it once to turn it on, once to turn it off. But you got to push it down far enough to make it connect and beep. But we didn't want to do that last week because there was too much snow. Now we just did it after more snow. I forgot how many steep places there were there.
That's a tough one going up. We've been up.
Yeah.
There's no place you really, until we get it pounded down, you just can't. Plus, if we'd had a mountain sled, we'd have gone up where we got stuck, but nobody else can follow. We've been that deep. I don't think if they got stuck, they keep this. They're messed up too. Because when they're stuck, they're like this.
Well, kind of like this one was. The front skis were holding it up and the back was down. Front skis are doing a good job of flotation.
So maybe them older skis, Bob, and this kind of stuff might drop it down just a little more so that more of that track can grab.
Problem is, changing skis is not an easy task. It sounds easy till you try to get them spindle bolts out. I had a heck of a time. So, these babies are staying on until I want the other ones for a long time.
See, like this one, it will climb in certain conditions better than the old one. But the other one will climb better overall.
Well, those skis always, to me, look like they're on the wrong side.